Hello to my 10 subscribers, 2 of which are my brother and my wife. It's December in Utah. I'm sick of being inside. I'm gonna get outside and fish on the Provo. We've had some cold days. I don't know if you can tell, some white snowflakes right now. We've had like 16-degree weather, but today it's up to 30. So we're gonna take a risk, bundle up, hit the Provo and see if we can catch some fish. Gotta get bundled up nice and warm here. Don't wanna freeze. Let's see what I got in the way of clothes. This coat, that'll work. This hat.
Yeah, let's go.
I had a hole in these puppies not too long ago that I patched. Sure hope it holds up today. I live in Saratoga Springs, which is about 25 minutes away from the Provo River. 25 minutes that way. Check it out on the drone. It's already so cold. It's really cold up here. Let's see if we can catch some fish. That's it, guys, as far as footage. Out fishing, and I apologize. Got skunked today. All in all, I only fished about 25 minutes. If you were able to see there, kind of in that last footage sped up, a snowstorm blew in. When I got there, it was probably 30 degrees, and by the time I left, it had to be in the mid to low 20s, and I got drenched in snow. I dipped my hand in the water, which is a major mistake. And I was wearing these crappy gloves, which they're really good gloves for, say, taking your dog on a quick 5-minute walk outside in the cold, but not great for fishing in the wintertime. So that's one thing. That's one question I have. If anyone knows good fishing gloves for the wintertime, let me know. The other thing is, so this is the first time I filmed myself fly fishing, and it was harder than I thought. A lot more work than I thought, but I'm excited to do it again, and I promise next time I'm going to have some fish for you to see. This was more of an experiment to see what it took. One thing I learned, if you noticed, and for example, this clip, I was wearing this GoPro. What I found is I didn't know how to work this GoPro. I haven't used it for about 2 years. So I was pressing the button on top thinking I was turning on the video mode, when in reality I was hitting the picture mode, and it was like snapping pictures every few seconds. And so I came back and dumped my footage on my computer, opened it up, and found that I had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pictures when I thought I was videoing. So I thought I would have more for you to see. I did hook a fish, felt like a decent fish, pretty close to the beginning when I wasn't really paying attention. I thought I was snagged, and you saw me yanking on it like an idiot and pulled it right out of its mouth. So yeah, that was the only action I had, but fish were rising like crazy, which makes me mad that my GoPro wasn't working, because I know I caught quite a few flopping up out of the water. They were super active, but once that storm blew in, I was out. I was off the water. I had to walk back like a half mile with my tripod and all my equipment and fishing gear in this blizzard, and my hands were numb. So I'm gonna get back out there with some new gloves, which hopefully if there's anyone watching this, they can recommend me some good fishing gloves for the winter time. I'm just gonna be a little better prepared. I'm gonna catch some fish and get it, documented real nice. I'm sorry for anyone who's watched this far and that I may have disappointed by not, having some fish to show. But next time, it was good to get out. It was fun to be out there in the winter. I'm excited to build on this. The next one will be better. Stick with me, please.